Yo guys, what is up? Revolts here. Sorry if some stuff sounds a little bit weird. I haven't recorded one of these videos in such a long time. And I'm trying to record this, I think, in 2K resolution on my S10 Plus. Yeah, but today, as you can see in front of you, I am unboxing the OnePlus 7 Pro. Yeah, this phone I've been thinking about getting since it came out, since I saw the reviews and stuff. Really, the things that were kind of griping me is because it doesn't have wireless charging or a headphone jack. But, when I was thinking it over, I really never use my headphone jack. And I'm still going to have my Galaxy S10 Plus, so for doing my runs and stuff. Um, that's what I'm going to use for music because I don't really like Bluetooth headphones. I don't know, it's just one of those things where it's like, charging it and having like another thing to charge and stuff, it just kind of gets annoying, I guess. But yeah, so I finally went, I did it, I got the OnePlus 7 Pro. When we were in the store, I put everything back in the box. I didn't unbox it or nothing. So yeah, I got the blue one. Basically the OnePlus 7 Pro, it's 2K display, 6.6 inch display, 48 megapixel camera, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 4,000 milliamp hour battery, which is awesome. Yeah, and then I think mine has 256 gigs of storage. Fortunately, it doesn't come with an SD card slot, which is kind of, I mean, it's like because I don't use my SD card that much anymore, so it's kind of just like wishy-wash. It's like kind of matters, kind of doesn't at the same time. Yeah, but so here we go. This is the box that it comes in. It's white. It's got the 7 here, and this is kind of indented. You know, nice little touch to make it feel more premium, I guess. Yeah, as you can tell here, this is the T-Mobile version. So let's open it up here. There we go. Nice and red and white contrast, as usual with OnePlus. So here we just got a little folder of stuff. I guess you could say a folder of stuff. Let me see what's in here. Oh yes, so it does come with a case. Comes with a clear silicone case. As you can see, I can push that in, which is actually funny because I have the same clear case for my S10, so I didn't have to buy a case because it came with one, which is great. The only thing about these silicone ones is they do yellow over time, which is a little bit annoying, but it does take a few months of use for that. And then opening up this pamphlet here, we get the SIM card removal tool. We get a bunch of papers in here. So here's the removal tool here. Let's remove this. This is my SIM. Then we got a start guide here. Usual crap. Got it in a different language. Usual crap. And then we actually have stickers. Wow, I did not know that it came with stickers. That's pretty cool. So we got OnePlus stickers. Nice. And then right here we got the actual phone itself, the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm gonna move that over and see what else is in here. So here, ooh, charging cable. That's a nice and red color. This probably goes a lot better with the black version, but how the hell do I open this? I don't really want to rip it up. Cannot figure out. Okay, I guess we'll just have to pull here. Jeez, gotta destroy this whole thing. Whoop. So here we go. Here is the USB-C charging cable. It's little rubber grommets on it, which is actually nice. I've never seen that. I've never seen the phone manufacturers supply rubber protective garments in the shipping. And then here we got, holy crap, that is freaking huge. Look at this charging brick. Oh man, all wrapped in this shrink wrap plastic, protective plastic here. There goes my other Samsung phone. It's got a matte feel, then glossy here. Red charging port on the inside there. Really, really nice. Really keeping it going with that white and red contrast, which is pretty nice. the colors go good together. And then, yeah, that's it. There's nothing else in here. So the charger and everything. So let me get the phone here and unwrap it. So it's got this wrapping on here. You just pull off and then kind of slide it out. Oh my gosh, this phone, I can say it is so much, it's got so much weight compared to the to the 10. It's got so much more weight. So if pull this sticker off here, look at that. I got the blue version, as you can see. Very nice. It's like blue black contrast. As you see here, we got the tri cameras, 3 cameras right there. Flash. The fingerprint sensor is actually under the screen, just like the S10. So let me turn it on here. Oh, another thing that I'm new to is it has the silence switch right here, which is like an iPhone thing, I guess, but OnePlus includes that on their phones too. So let me turn this on here. Oh, there. OnePlus, powered by Android. That looks pretty damn good. And the thing, the coolest thing about this is it's got no camera notch or nothing. It's just right here. The camera pops out, and that's how it works. Wow, that screen looks amazing. Look at the edges. Just goes straight to the edge. No camera in the screen or nothing. No nothing. That is pretty damn nice. Yeah, that's pretty much the whole unboxing. That is the phone right there. I gotta say, compared to the S10, it is heavier, but I prefer a heavier phone actually, because it makes it gives you that feel of a more premium device compared to something's lighter, which obviously all manufacturers are trying to go to lighter and slimmer devices, but honestly, the way this feels, it feels pretty damn nice. How it's got a little bit of weight. It feels a little bit thicker, but it feels really modern and new. Yeah. So that's going to be it for this unboxing. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like on this video. And other than that, I will see you guys next time. Peace.